Hiya, my name's Léna and welcome to my baking channel. If you're someone who loves to make desserts that are as fun to make as they are to eat, then you're in the right place. Baking has always been my way of showing my creativity and bringing joy to the people around me. And I can't wait to share that joy with you through this channel. Baking is more than just a hobby or a job for me, it really is my passion. I started baking professionally about 4 years ago, but I've been baking in the kitchen with my mom since I was just a little girl. We started making crepes or chocolate fondants, and I just haven't stopped. Baking has always been my way of expressing creativity and bringing joy to the people around me, and I can't wait to share that joy with you. Whether it's making rich chocolatey brownies, buttery cookies, or viral desserts, I love experimenting in the kitchen, and I can't wait to share all my creations with you. On this channel, you can expect easy and delicious recipes, baking tips, and fun ideas for you to recreate at home. With this channel, I want to make baking more approachable, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Here's a little look at what I do. Expect plenty of rich fudgy brownies, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate cake, and seasonal favorites like delicate crepes and decadent red velvet brownies. From smooth ganache drizzles to perfectly baked layers, I'm all about creating desserts that are just as satisfying to make as they are to eat. So if you're ready to bake along with me and try some of my favorite recipes, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications.